Yes, okay, I'm today's host, Bella. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser and CNC equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. Our main products including laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine, laser welding machine, etc. In total, more than 20 series and 300 types. All of our machines have got CE, ISO, ROW certificate and certified by the International Inspection Institute such as TUV and SGS. We have got 63 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international professional level. As the result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas all over the world. And also we have enjoyed very good reputations and feedbacks from our customers all over the world. And we have a very talented team. So 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree. So we can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service to our customers. So anytime, anywhere, we are online and we are waiting for your inquiries, waiting for your feedbacks, and waiting for any of your questions. Okay, so everybody, today I'm going to share our fiber laser cutting machines with all of you. Okay, yeah, right now you can watch the video. Yeah, through the video you can see the some products from our company. Yeah, some maybe the fiber laser marking machine. Yeah, and you can see right now this is the leather bending machine. Yeah, and also the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, CO2 laser and engraving. This is the CO2 laser engraving and the cutting machine. Yeah, and right now this is the inkjet printer. Yeah. So this is the fiber laser marking machine. Yes, the marking machine. Okay, so much for the introduction. Okay, right now you can see this is our complete gate. Yeah, complete gate and also the complete building. So my dear friend, warmly welcome all of you to visit our factory, visit our company anytime at your convenience. Okay. So my dear friend, in today's live show, I have already prepared some benefits for you. So the first one is about the coupons. Yeah, it's about the discount. Yeah, hello my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, so today, if you contact us in today's live show later, so you can enjoy later if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a discount of $50. And while if you place order over $7,000, you will enjoy a discount over $100. Okay, so this is a very good chance to save the money for you. Okay, and what's more, if you contact us in today's live show and later you can also enjoy a longer warranty time. So you can enjoy 24 months warranty time. So that is absolutely 2 years. It's really a long time of the warranty. Okay. So my dear friend, today I'm going to introduce our fiber laser cutting machines with all of you. Yeah, for the fiber laser cutting machines, you can see we have many different types, yeah, different models of the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, yeah, you can see based on this photo. Yeah, for the first one, yeah, this is the first model. Yeah, for this model, you can see it's a fully enclosed machine with a working table, with a cutting head. Everything is enclosed in this cabinet. Yeah, so this one it has a relatively smaller working area. So this machine, the working area is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. Okay, so after this one, I would like to enjoy a very hard selling model in our company. That is this one, the model number PEF 3015. Yeah. For this model, it's a very hot selling model in our company, and for this one, it's mainly used for cut the flat plate. Yeah, flat plate, and also the working area can be can be chosen from different size. Yeah, such as 3,000 millimeters by 15,000. Not 15, 1,500, okay, 1,500 millimeters. While you can also choose 2,500 by 1,500 millimeters, okay. Yeah, and another one, yeah, the this one, the PEF 3015B. For this one, is very similar to this one, yeah, these two. Okay, these two. Okay, these two, the main difference with these two is that PF3015B, it has a rotary fixture, so that it can not only cut the flat plate, but also cut some round or some square tubes. Hi, George. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today I'm going to share our fiber laser cutting machines with all of you. Okay, so yeah, I would like to show you some samples. Yeah, you can see this is a flat cutting. So right now the three models are PF6060, PEF3015, and also PEF3015B. All of those three models can all of them can cut this flat plate. You can see from the each, yeah, even those there is the very small part, the curves there, you can see the curves there. Yeah, you can see the curves. Yeah, these curves. So there is many very small curves, right? This part, right? You can see, well, each part, you can see every part. After cutting, the surface is very smooth, yeah, and very neat, yeah. Okay, you can also have a look about this one. So the fiber laser cutting machine, it can cut all kinds of shapes and patterns and the designs. Yes, and also for all the metal materials. Okay, metal materials. Well, I can see also this one. This is a stainless steel 1 millimeters. Yeah, 1 millimeter. Wow, this one. This is a butterfly. You can see. So the some shapes on it. Yeah. Okay, so this is a stainless steel 1 millimeter. Okay. Well, this one is also another material. You can see this is the aluminum. Yeah, aluminum 2 millimeters. Yeah, 2 millimeters. Yeah, so this is the perfect laser. You can see perfect laser. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today I'm going to share the fiber laser cutting machines with all of you, so you can have a look about these samples. All those samples are done by our fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, and also this one, this is aluminum. Yeah, material is a little it's very soft. You can see. This way should be right. Yeah, so every part after cutting, the cutting surface is very smooth. Yeah, it's very smooth. Yeah, you can touch it. It's very comfortable. Okay, and also this is another material. This is a copper, 3 millimeters. Yeah, copper. Also a butterfly. Yeah, you can see the cutting edges. Yeah, everywhere, the cutting edges. That's very good. And this is aluminum, 3 millimeters. Wow, this is a Chinese word. Yeah, Chinese word. Means right, yeah. Yeah, you can see each part cutting. Okay. Well, still have some, yeah. Well, this one, yeah, it's just like a flower. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, you can see the cutting edge. It's very beautiful. This one is also the stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel material. Wow, this is so beautiful. Shiny love. Okay. Well, still have another one you can see. Wow, for this one you can see the feathers. Wow, the feathers there. It's very small part. Yeah, very mini. But the fiber laser marking machine, fiber laser cutting machine, it can also cut in a very high precision. Yeah, very precise. Yeah, very good. Yeah, even you can see the eyes, the mouth. Wow, the small feathers. Each part is very clear. Yeah, very clear cutting. Okay, wow. Yeah, I still have another one. Well, I like this very much. This is a big thumb up. Big thumb up. Yeah, so my dear friend, it's also a like button. Yes, so my dear friend, at the same time, please, yeah, click the like button. There is a like button at your right side of the mobile phone. Yeah, at right side. Please click it. Yeah, click, click, click. Yeah, okay, thanks very much for your support. Well, and also this one, there is a star. Yeah, you can see the each part, the cutting edges. It's very smooth, right? Very neat, very tidy cutting. Okay, so I also have another big one. Wow, this one is very heavy. This is a carbon steel 12 millimeters. Okay, 12 millimeters. So this is a really very thick one. Hello, Ismail. Hello, Ismail. Welcome to our live show. Yes, right now I'm showing you some samples. All those samples are done by the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, you can have a look. Well, I also have another one. This is also a carbon steel, 15 millimeters. Wow, 15 millimeters. This one is really very thick. You can see the thickness of this one. Yeah, 15 millimeters. This is a carbon steel, 15 millimeters. Wow, it's very thick, a thick material. Okay. Yeah, so just now you can see this all of those samples are flat plate. Yeah, flat plate sample. Yeah, I also have flowers. Yeah, very beautiful flowers you can see. So after folding, you can fold it like this. It's just like a rose. Very beautiful, right? Do you like this kind of flowers? Yeah, it's very good. Okay, so just now you can see all of those samples are done on the flat plate flat plate. Well, for PEF 3015B, yeah, the other two, these two models, yeah, 3015B, and also this one, PEF 2060. These two, they can cut on the round or the square tubes or pipes. Yeah, for the PEF 3015B, for this model, yeah, it can not only works on those flat plate cutting and also cut those on those round tube. Yeah, well, a very big round tube. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, and also the PF 2060, the last one, that model is mainly used for cut this kind of, yeah, for this one, it's mainly used for cut this kind of tubes or pipes, yeah, this round and also this square with different diameters, yeah, this square tube cutting. Yeah, and also those round cutting. Yes. So so we have models, some for cut on the flat plate. Yeah, some for cut. Hello AM, yeah, some for cutting on the flat and also the round square tubes, and some only for the round or square tube cutting, not for the flat, yeah. Okay, so right now I would like to share all of those machines one by one. Yeah, right now you also can have a look about this. There's some other samples here. Yeah, you can see a Christmas tree, well, some metal parts, yeah, different shapes and different designs, yeah, and also different patterns. Yeah, since the fiber laser cutting machine, it can work on all kinds of metal materials, so it's widely used for many different industries, yeah, such as some hardware, lamp, car, mechanics, kitchen utensil, and also the bodybuilding, construction, yeah, for the construction. Okay. Right now, I would like to introduce the first model for you. Okay, this one is a fully enclosed machine with the working table and also the cutting head. Everything is included in this machine body. Okay. Hello, colors. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today I'm going to introduce the fiber laser cutting machines, okay? So if you have any of your questions or you are interested in this kind of machines, could you please let me know anytime, okay? I'm very willing to discuss with you based on your questions, okay? So this is the first model I'm going to introduce. This one you can see is a very environmentally friendly model since it's a full enclosed machine. Hi, my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yes. Yeah, and also with a industrial computer system that in it. Yeah, so we can install the cutting software into the machine and operate directly by the computer. Okay, right now you can see the main structure. Yeah, inside of this machine it has the cutting head and the working platform, and also the other part is the PC system. Yeah, PC system. Yeah, and also inside of the machine there is a double rack driver. Yeah. Okay, everybody, right now I would like to show this working video for all of you. Yeah, this is a relatively small scale fiber laser cutting machine. The working area is 600 by 600 millimeters. You can see the cutting machine, yeah, with the keyboard, mouse, and the screen there. This is an industrial PC, so we can install the software, the cutting software, into this computer, and then we can operate on the work on this table directly. Right now you can see it start cutting. We can see from this work video from the observation window that for the working process. Hello, Eric. Yes, welcome to our live show. Yeah, right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, for this one you can see the machine works. Wow, a beautiful flower, lotus, and also right now this machine still cutting some letters and some numbers. Yeah, just like this kind of cutting. Yeah, just like this kind of cutting. Wow, it has already finished. Yeah, so a very beautiful lotus and a very smooth cutting effect. Okay, so this is the working video of the first model PEF 6060. Okay, so for this small-sized fiber laser cutting machine, it also applied for all kinds of metal materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, and also silicon, aluminum, galvanized sheet, yeah, and many and all kind and other kind of metal materials. So it's widely used for some fields, yeah, such as the space flight, electronics, electrical appliances, subway parts, yeah, automobile, machinery, and some precise components, ships, wow, elevator, household appliances, gifts and crafts, wow, tool processing, advertising, wow, many different kind of industries and fields can use this kind of fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, right now let's have a look about the thickness, yeah, cutting thickness based on this form. Yeah, take example the 1000 watts. For the 1000 watts laser power. Hello, Ali. Hello, my dear friend. Yeah, so for 1000 watts, the laser power, it can cut the carbon steel for 10 millimeters thickness. Yeah, 10. while for the stainless steel and aluminum is for 5 millimeters. Okay, 5 millimeters. Well, if we choose 2000 watts, 2000 watts laser power, so the carbon steel can cut 20 millimeters thickness. But also the stainless steel and aluminum, the thickness can be cut is 8 millimeters. And then we let's have a look about the 6000 watts. Yeah, the 6000 watts for cut the carbon steel, while the thickness can reach to 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters. Okay, and for the stainless steel and aluminum, it's 14 to 16 millimeters. Okay, so different laser power for different thickness cutting. Yeah, and also this is the speed. Yeah, speed based for different gas type. For this, for the fiber laser cutting machine, we also use normally we use nitrogen and oxygen gas for the auxiliary. Yeah. So for 1000 watts, for 1000 watts, the material is stainless steel. Yeah, for example, the stainless steel for 1 millimeter, and so the speed will be 17 to 20 to 21 meters per minute by nitrogen. Okay, by nitrogen. And also for carbon steel, 1 meters thickness. Yeah, 1 millimeters thickness. Yeah, the speed will be 15 to 18 meters per minute. Okay, by oxygen. So this is the cutting speed. Hello, disease. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yes. Yeah, right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machines. Okay, fiber laser cutting machines. Okay, right now let's take a look about the detailed structure of this machine. Yeah, for the first one is the fiber laser source. So to make sure the high cutting precision and the cutting speed, and also a very long time using of the machine. So we always choose the well-known brand such as Ricas, IPG, Max, those well-known brand to ensure the very good quality of the machine, and also make sure the machine works for a long time. Yeah, and another one is the laser cutting head. Yeah, laser cutting head. For this machine, the laser cutting head, it has dynamic autofocus function. Yeah, dynamic automatic tracking function. So that means this is the cutting head, and it will how to place order. Yeah, my dear friend, you can click. Yeah, my dear friend, thanks very much for your question first. Yeah, you can follow us first, and also you can click. You can click this product list. Yeah, here. Yeah, click, and then you can find our contact info, and also you can contact Perfect Laser, the ID Perfect Laser China. You can find the ID and the place order. Okay, which machine are you interested in, my dear friend? This is. Yeah, if you want the fiber laser cutting machine, you can click the product list there. Yeah, Perfect Laser. Yeah, yeah, you can click the product list, yeah, and then you can find the many colleagues of our from our company, yeah. So everyone there, you can contact them and chat with them directly, and then you can place order. Hello, Margarita. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yes, and right now, just now I've discussed the fiberless laser cutting head. Yeah, for the laser cutting head, it has automatic tracking function, so it can track the distance between the cutting head and the cutting surface directly. So even the plate sometimes sometimes it's not that flat, so it can automatic adjust this distance up or down directly, yeah, so that it can protect the cutting head, and also at the same time it can keep a very good accurate cutting efficient, yeah. Hi Eddie, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yeah, and also the working platform, yeah, platform you can see the platform, the working area for this working table is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters, okay. And cutting observation window. So since this machine is a fully enclosed machine, so how to detect the working process? We can see through the windows, yeah, through these windows, and then we can see the cutting process through this observation window. Yeah, and also this is the PC control system. Yeah, PC control system, where this is a separate part. So we can install the software, the cutting software into this computer, and then with the mouse, with the keyboard, everything's here. Then we can operate on this computer directly, and to control the cutting process. Hello, Talik. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we are introduce our fiber laser cutting machines. Okay. And also the servo motor. Yeah, servo motor is used for the movement. Yeah, the movement mechanism. Yeah, yeah, in a very smooth movement, yeah. And also it to keep the high precise position, yeah. And also besides at the two sides of the working table, there is a double rack. So with this double rack, it can keep a high cutting precision, and also make sure the fast cutting speed. And the control system, this control system will adopt NC Studio control system. So it has a very powerful edit function, yes, and also it can meet a wide range of cutting requirements. Yeah, for this one, this part, this is a collector. Yeah, just like a drawer. We can pull it out, and also we can put in it. Yeah, this is collector. It's under the working table. Yeah, working platform. So it can collect the metal pieces. Yeah, metal pieces after cutting directly, and then we can pull it out, and so it will be very easy and very convenient. Yeah, and this is a separate, this is a separately designed water chiller, water cooling machine, water cooling design, so that it will release the heat during the working process of the machine, and also to keep a certain and a comfortable temperature for the whole machine during the working process, so that it can make sure the accurate cutting and also make the high precision of the cutting. Okay, so right now, my dear friend, I have already finished the first model introduction, for the smaller, for this relatively smaller working area model. Yes, it's a fully enclosed machine with everything is enclosed in the machine. Okay, so if you are interested in this kind of machine, or if you have any questions about this machine, you can ask me, and you can also discuss with me directly. Okay. So if you contact us into this live show, later when you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. While if you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. Okay, and what's more, if you contact us into this live show, later you can also enjoy a longer warranty time. So that is 24 months warranty. Okay. Okay, so my dear friend, for today I'm going to introduce mainly these 4 models for you. Just now I've already finished the first model, PEF 6060. Okay. For this model, you can see it's a environmentally friendly model, since everything is included in this box, in this machine. Okay. Okay, so do you have any questions about this machine? And also I'm going to introduce the second one. The second one is the PF 3015. For this model. For this model, it's a very hot selling model in our company. Yes, and for this one, it has bigger working area. The standard working area you can choose is 3,000 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters. Okay. Okay, you can see this model. You can see it's mainly composed by 2 parts. One is the control part. Another one is the machine body. Machine body with the cutting head, with the working table. For this one, it's mainly for cut the plate, flat plate, but metals, all kinds of flat metals. This is the main structure. You can see the control cabinet. It's a separate part, and also the machine body with the laser cutting head, and also laser optical bridge, and also the material feeding wheels. Okay. Now everybody, let's have a look about the working video of this machine. Hi, my dear friend, B. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Right now you can see this is the fiber laser cutting machine working video of the model PEF 3015. This is a separate PC control system. So with the software installed in this machine, in this PC control system, we can operate on this computer directly. It can cut all kinds of shapes, designs, and all kinds of metal materials. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Well, even for very small part, it can has a very precise cutting. Well, we can see very small curves there. Just like this one. It's more or less the same with this one in my hand. Well, it's this one. Exactly the same. Exactly the same with this one. So you can see the very small curves. Very small curves. And also made different kind of shapes. Well, this is a fish. Well, in fact, this one is used for open the beer. Open the beer, the bottle, the cover of the beer. Okay, so right now it's still works on letters cutting. I can see it's gonna finish. Perfect Laser company, our company name. I think this is the final cutting effect. Okay, it will finish. Wow, it already finished. Then you can see it's the exactly the same with in my hand. You can see the cutting surface is very shiny and also very smooth. Very smooth. You can touch it directly. Yes, very good. So this is the working video of the PEF 3015. So you can see it can cut on all kinds of metal materials. All kinds of flat plate. For the stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet. All kinds of metal materials. And also on the copper, aluminum, such as this kind of copper. This is a copper material, so you can see different shapes, different designs there. Okay, so and also you can see the engineer is operate with a Dsp controller, remote controller, and also we can choose to operate on the on this PC control system. So there is two ways to operate the machine. One is operate by this PC control system, and another one is to operate with a Dsp Remote Controller. Hello, my new friend. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. Fiber laser cutting machine, you can see. Yeah, for very small, precise part, the fiber laser cutting machine also can works with a very good cutting result. Yeah, this one is the right now you can see this one is the one in my hand. Well, you can see exact the same. Yeah, exact the same, right? Okay, so right now it's going to cut another model. Yeah, in fact, you can see the fiber laser cutting machine. It has a very cutting speed. Yeah, just like drawing. Yeah, it's very quick. Yeah, you can see this is a fish, but in fact, it's a tool for open the bottle of the beer, the cover of the beer. So finally, it will the machine will cut some letters. Yeah, this letters is our complete name, perfect laser. Yeah, right now you can see it already have finished the perfect. Yeah, perfect. Perfect right now, and then laser, LAS. Hi, Edward. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. So the fiber laser cutting machine works on all kinds of metal materials. Yeah. So right now you can see this one is aluminum. Yeah, aluminum material. You can see the video, and it is the exact the same with the one in my hand. Well, you can see it's a very shiny cutting. Yeah, the surface is very smooth and very beautiful, and when you touch it, it's very smooth and very comfortable. Okay, so this is the working video of the PEF 3015. Yeah, you can see all those, yeah, all of those flat cutting can be done by the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, even the no matter the thickness is different. You can see also this one is a very thick with the carbon steel 15 millimeters. Yeah. Yeah, very thick material, this carbon steel. Yeah, and also this one is big thumb up. Yeah, big thumb up. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are still watching our live show, so could you please follow us by clicking the follow button. It's upside your mobile phone. Yeah, there is a follow button there. So please click it and then subscribe our channel so that you can find us very easily next time. In the near future, we will hold some big live shows. So at that time, you can see the real machines works on the real samples. Yeah. So today, I'm only going to give you a brief introduction about the machines and also show you some samples. So later you can see the real machines works on the real samples. And also at that time, we will prepare some attractive promotion policy and also very special gift for you. So my dear friend, please click the follow button to subscribe our channel. Thanks very much. And also at the same time, please give me likes. Yeah, give us likes. There is a like button at your right side. So please click it and all the time, yeah, click it. Thanks very much for your cooperation. Okay, and now let's take a look about the details of this machine. Yeah, for the first one, it has a very heavy machine body. Yes, for the machine body, it has a very heavy loading and has a very big loading capacity. So it can load reach to 500 kilograms. Yeah, a very heavy loading capacity. Yes, and also for this machine bed. For the machine bed, we adopt a 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters by 6 millimeters thick square metal tube. Yeah, square metal tube, and also for one-time welding for the whole machine bed. Okay, so it will not get distorted even for a long time using. For 5 to 10 years using, it will not get distorted. Okay. And also the laser cutting head. For the laser cutting head, it has a dynamic, automatic tracking and the surface tracking function. So it can automatically track the surface even for some uneven plate. Yeah. For those this is uneven, it will keep down or up or down to track the surface directly. To track the surface like this. Yeah. Up or down, or automatic adjust the distance between the cutting head and the cutting object. Yeah, so that it can protect the cutting head very well, and also at the same time to keep a very accurate cutting effect. Yeah, and also the high precision cutting. Okay. Yeah, for the fiber laser source, yeah, all of our fiber laser cutting machines, we use the Ricas, IPG, Max, those well-known brand to make sure the high quality and high cutting efficiency of the machine, and also make sure the long-term using of the machine. Yeah. So for those well-known brand laser source, it has a very good stability and a very long time of the using. Okay. Yeah, the working table, you can see this is a sawtooth type. So it will be very stable and a very heavy holding. Yeah, heavy holding capacity. Yes. About the servo motor, we adopt from Japan, the also a well-known brand. Yeah, so it can make sure the very fast cutting speed and the stability, and also it has a very accurate positioning. Okay. And also the linear guide rail. Yeah, we adopt the Taiwan-made Heiwei linear guide rail. So for this linear guide rail, it can make sure the high positioning accuracy. Yeah, and also the it will very suitable for the high speed movement. Yes, high speed movement. Yeah, the movement from the linear guide rail. Yeah, and also you can see this is a ball, just like a ball. It's a round ball. Yeah, it's a ball. So that this is used for the feeding the material. So through this ball design, it will be much easier for feeding the material, and also it will not scratch the materials. Okay. Hello, James Roper. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show here. Today we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah. Just now you see from the video, right? It has a separate control cabinet. So with a professional industrial PC control system, and also with the software will installed in the machine. It will save the future operation costs, and also it's very easy and very convenient to operate on this separate control cabinet. And also this is the powerful water chiller. This is a water chiller. Okay, so during the working process, the laser source and the whole machine, it will release the heat, right? And also with the water chiller, it can cool in the machine. It will cool in the machine during the working process, and also keep the machine in a certain and a stable temperature, so that it will make sure the machine works in a very good status and conditions, and also make sure the high cutting accuracy and high cutting efficiency. So last one is this one is the Dsp Remote Controller. Just now you also see from the video, right? The engineer holds the Dsp Remote Controller. So no matter we stand in front of the machine or beside the machine or even behind the machine, so we can see the machine status and see the cutting area exactly, so we can adjust by this remote controller easily in all directions. Okay, so my dear friend, right now I have already introduced the second model, PEF 3015. For this model, it's mainly for cut the flat plate cutting. All kind of flat plate cutting for all kind of metal materials. So if you have any questions about this machine, you can see the cutting is very shiny and very smooth. So my dear friend, if you are interested in this kind of machine, or Edward, hello, yes. If you are, and also if you have any questions about this machine, could you please share with me? I'm very happy to discuss based on your questions. Okay. So my dear friend, if you contact us in today's live show, later when you place order over $3,000, you will enjoy a discount of $50. And also if you place order over $7,000, you will enjoy a discount of $100. And also you can also enjoy a longer warranty time. So you can enjoy 24 months warranty time. Okay. And also at the same time, my dear friend, please click the follow button there. It's upside your mobile phone. Please click it, and to subscribe our channel, so that you can find us very easily next time for more machines live show. And also at the same time, could you please give me likes at your right side? Okay, please keep clicking the like button. You can click all the time. It's the more the better. Okay, thanks very much for your cooperation. Okay, hello Gerardo, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Okay, so right now you can see today I'm going to introduce these 4 models. The PEF 6060 model. This is a relatively smaller working area, so the working area will be 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. Well, just now I've already finished the second model description, so that is the PEF 3015. For this model, it's a very hot selling model in our company, and also the working area you can choose from 3,000 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters. Okay. For this machine, it's mainly used for cut the flat plates, no matter for different thickness and different kind of metal materials, such as this one. This is aluminum 3 millimeters. You can see 3 millimeters. This is a Chinese word. Yeah, you can see the cutting edges everywhere. It's very smooth. Yeah, very smooth, very smooth. And when you touch it, it's very comfortable. And also for even for those carbon steel 12, yeah, carbon steel 12 millimeters was really very heavy. And also you can see the thickness. Yeah, it's 12 millimeters. This is a really big, very thick material. Okay, this is carbon steel. So yeah, well, this one is even much more thick. It's thicker than that one. This is 15 millimeters thickness. Wow, you can see. Yeah, this is a carbon steel material. The thickness is 15 millimeters. Yeah, 15 millimeters. And also those big thumb up. Yeah, big thumb up. It's a like button. Yeah, very good, right? And also the copper material is 3 millimeters. Yeah, 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters copper material. Yeah, wow, two beautiful heart. This is very good. And just now you see from the video, right? This one is cut by the video. Right now you can see the very small part, small curves there. Yeah, you can see very small curves. Yeah, each part, even it's very precise. And also the fiberless cutting machine can cut on it in a very good conditions. Yeah, very good cutting result. Yeah, and also the this is a stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel material. Stainless steel. Yeah, this is a beautiful butterfly with different shapes, different designs, different patterns there. Okay, so this is the second model PF3015. Well, next I will introduce another model, the third model. Hello, Jacob. Yeah, this one, the 3015B, yeah, it's very similar to that one. Yeah, very similar. Well, for this model, it can not only cut on the flat plate, yeah, but also on the tubes or pipes, some square, yeah, those square on the round cylinder cutting. Okay, you can see different diameter. Yes, those different diameter tube cutting. Yeah, and also those round cylinder cutting. This one has a very big diameter. It can even hold my whole face. Wow, very big one. Okay, so this is the PF3015B. So it can not only cut on the flat material, but also on the round or the square tubes. Okay. Yeah, compared with PF3015, it's the main difference is the rotary fixture. Yeah, it has an extra rotary fixture so that it can cut. You can realize the round or the square tubes cutting. Yeah, you can see the main structure, the separate control system, yeah, remote controller, cutting head, machine body, yeah, with working table, cutting head, and also another one is the rotary fixture there. Hello everybody, hi my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yeah, okay everybody, now let me show you the working video of this machine. Yeah, you can have an overview of this machine. Yeah, a separate control cabinet, and this is the machine body. Beside that, it has a rotary fixture. Okay, my dear friend, please enjoy the video. Right now you can see it started working. Well, right now it's cut on the flat, yeah, flat cutting right now. It's flat cutting. Wow, right now you can see it's the round cylinder tube. Yeah, this is the smaller one. Wow, and also the big one, very big. Well, you can see the cutting speed is very quick, right? Turn around quickly. Wow, it has finished. Exactly the same with the one in my hand, right? Yeah, and also there's some flat cutting. Yeah, some flat cutting, and so this model it can cut not only on the flat material but also on those round those tubes, right? Those tubes, even with a big diameter. Yes, it's very cool. This machine is very cool. So you can also have a look about some other samples here. Yeah, some big diameter or the small diameter cutting. Okay, so for the details, the main, the other part, some part is that the same with the PF3015, right? You can see the same laser source, yeah, IPG, right? IPG Max and the Raycus, those well-known brand laser source. Yeah, so it can works for 100,000 hours of the working life. Yeah, and also there is no extra maintenance cost. It's very good. And also the laser cutting head also with a dynamic automatic focusing function there, so it can automatically adjust the distance between the cutting head and also the cutting object. Hello, Jules. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yes, so it has a very high sensitivity and very very stable. Yeah, the stable cutting. Okay. Yeah, and the servo motor also the same. Same one imported from Japan, the servo motor, so it can keep the movement, operate in smoothly, and also improve the cutting speed and the cutting stability. Okay, and also make sure there is no noise. With a rotary fixture there, yeah, you can see rotary fixture. It can fix the big or the small diameter tubes, yeah, and also realize the cutting on the tubes, yeah. And the LCD controller is the LCD screen on the separate PC control system. Yes. And hi, my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yes, so the LCD controller is a separate part, so we can, with the software installed in the machine, we can operate on the machine directly, and it's very easy. Yeah, it's very easy and very convenient to operate. And also the Dsp Remote Controller. This is a wireless and portable wireless and portable design, so we can take it anywhere to control the machine, yeah, from all directions, yeah, so that will be much more convenient, in fact. Yeah, this metal wheels, yeah, this wheels also for the feeding the ball, yeah, to feeding the material during the machine is working, yeah. So with this ball design, it will be much easier to feed the material, and also it will not scratch the plate, yeah, it will not scratch the plate. And also the lubricating device, the gear rack can be automatically lubricated, so that it will ensure the rack in a very high precision, and also keep the long-term using of this machine. So then this is the separate water cooling system. So with this water chiller, it can release the heat during the working process, yeah, during working process. And also, hello Hunter, Wilson, hi my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yes, for this this water chiller, it can keep the machine in a very comfortable and also in a stable temperature all the time, so that it will make sure the machine works in a very good status, and also make sure the machine works in a comfortable status, and so that it will make sure the high cutting quality and the high cutting efficiency. Okay. For this machine, for our fiber laser cutting machine, yeah, it has many advantages. So number one, it has a very good laser beam quality. Yeah, it has a very high accuracy and high cutting quality. Number two is the cutting speed. It has a very fast cutting speed. So the cutting speed is more than 60 meters per minute. Antonio, hi my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Okay, yeah, and also the machine also in a very stable running. So with the Raycas IPG Max, those well-known brand laser source, it has a very stable performance, and also the lifetime can reach to 100,000 hours. Okay. Okay, and number four, the high efficiency for photoelectric conversion. So they compare with the CO2 laser cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine have 3 times photoelectric conversion efficiency. Okay, so number five, low cost. Yeah, for this machine, it will save energy and also protect the environment. Yeah. So, and also it has a very low electric power consumption. It's only about 20% to 30% of the traditional CO2 laser cutting machine. Okay. Number six, free of maintenance. This machine is no need reflectless and without optical adjustment, so it will save the maintenance cost much. And number seven, easy operation. With the fiber cable transmission, the adjustment of the optical path, so it's very easy to operate. And the super flexible optical effects. It has a compact design, comply with flexible production requirements. Okay. So my dear friend, yeah, after my introduction about this model, do you have some to get some information from the through our live show? Yeah. So for the PF3015B, it can not only cut on the flat, yeah, on those flat cutting, yeah, on the flat cutting, yeah, such as this kind of flat cutting, yeah, but also on those tube, yeah, round or square tube cutting for different diameters. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are still watching our live show, please remember to Follow us by clicking the follow button up in there. Yeah, it's upside to your mobile phone. Okay. And also, if you have any interest in this machine or you have any questions, please type it and let me know so that we can discuss based on your questions together. Okay, and also my dear friend, if you contact us in today's live show, later when you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. While if you place order over $7,000, you will enjoy a $100 discount. Okay, $100 discount. And what's more, if you contact us in today's live show, later you can also enjoy a longer warranty time. So we can provide 24 months warranty time for you. So 24 months, that is absolutely 2 years. It's really a very long time. Okay, hello Roger, hi my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yes, so if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'm very glad and very willing to discuss based on your questions. Okay, so right now I have already introduced the 3 models for you. The first one, PF6060, this is a wholly enclosed machine. So for this machine is an environmentally friendly machine with everything is included in this machine and in the cover, and also with the observation window, so we can see the working process through the windows. Yeah, hello Leo, hi my dear friend. Hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we introduce our fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah, so the first one is the PF6060. It has a relatively smaller working area, so the working area is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. While we also have another model, PF3015. For this model, it has a bigger working area, so the working area will be 3,000 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters. And also this one is a very hot selling model in our company, and also it can cut on all kinds of metals on the flat plate cutting. Yes. And also for the PEF3015B model, it can not only cut on the flat plate material and also cut some round, some cylinder, some square tubes. Yeah, so just now I have shown you many samples, right? So this is the round tube and also the square tube, and also with a bigger diameter. You can see the bigger diameter in the square tube, and also a very big diameter round tube. It can almost hold my whole face in it. Wow, this is a really very big diameter. Okay, yeah, and also it can and also for those flat cutting, you can see this is a very beautiful flowers, right? Yeah, very shiny cutting. And also after folding this flower, it will be this one, like this. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, and also for cutting some thick. Orlando, hi my dear friend, welcome to our live show. You can see this kind of very thick carbon steel. The thickness is 15 millimeters. Well, we can see the 15 millimeters cutting. Yeah. And also this aluminum cutting, perfect laser. This way, should be this way, right? The perfect laser. So you can see all the cutting surface is very smooth. Yeah. This is a stainless steel, 1 millimeter, yeah. Stainless steel, yeah, and also this one with very precise cutting, yeah, many curves, yeah, and also by different shapes. Wow, the cutting effect is very good. You can see the cutting surface is very smooth, and even you touch it, you can see it's very neat and very comfortable. Okay, so my dear friend, till now I have already finished the three models description and introduction. So last, let's come to the last model, that is the PF 2060. For this model, you can see this model is mainly for the round or cylinder and on the square tubes cutting. Yeah, this is only for the round, the square, for the round or the round square tube cutting. Okay, so this machine is not for the flat, only for those tube cutting. Okay, for those tube cutting. Okay, so you can let me show you the working video of this machine. Okay, first you can see the main structure. Another the same separate control cabinet, PC control system, and also the whole machine body with the cutting head and also the rotary fixture. Okay, so you can also have a look about these samples. Or the round, cylinder, square, or different diameters, tubes. The cutting samples here. Okay, let me show you the working video. Okay. You can see based on this video to have a look how does this machine works. Wow, you can see with a rotary fixture there, it can fix the tubes, and then it will turn around and to finish the cutting. Yes, you can see it can turn around. This is the rotary fixture, so it can finish the cutting first, and then the square tubes cutting. You can see this kind of square tubes cutting. So different tubes, different diameter, different tubes, square and round, the cylinder. Yes. Okay, so this is the working video of this machine. For this machine also we have it has a very heavy machine body. So it can have a very heavy loading machine body, so it will be very strong and stable, and also it will not get distorted even for a long time using. Okay, and also for the laser source or the machine or the fiber laser cutting machine, we use the same we use the same well-known brand laser source such as IPG, Max, Raycus, those well-known brand, to make sure the long lifetime of the machine, so they can support working for 100,000 hours. 100,000 hours lifetime. And also this machine is free of maintenance. No need adjustment, so it will save a lot of maintenance cost. Just now through the video you see the rotary fixture there, right? The rotary fixture, it can fix the round or the square tube tightly, and then feed the material and then realize the cutting. For this machine, it also has the laser cutting head, also has the dynamic tracking function. So even the since this the tube, yeah, you can see the tube is not, it's not flat, so you need to adjust those distance, yeah, adjust between the laser head and also the tubes. Yeah, so with the automatic tracking, surface tracking function, it can automatic adjust the distance. Yeah, so now make sure the high precision of the cutting. And the red light pointer, yeah, during the cutting process, you can see the red light pointer, so that we can see the working area, the working process, working area, working location exactly. Yes. Yes, since in fact the laser itself is invisible, so we use this red light pointer to indicate the cutting position. Yeah, and also make sure the cutting more accurate. Hector, hello Hector, welcome to our live show. Yes, so we are discussing the fiber laser cutting machines today. Yes, you can see right now this one is the tube is the tube cutting for both square and round tube cutting. Okay, and even for those big diameter, wow, it's a very big diameter cutting. Yeah, so for this model, it's mainly for cutting those round or the square tubes cutting, okay? Yeah, and also with this DSP remote controller, we can take the remote controller in front and near to the machine, yeah, near to the cutting head, yeah, to the machine, and then we can it will be easier for us to know to adjust the some parameters based on the real circumstances, okay, real condition, okay, real conditions. So it will be very easy and very convenient. It will be very easy to operate, yeah, with the DSP controller, since we can take it anywhere and to control the machine easily. Hello, April. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Okay, so just now, since the PF3015B and the model PF2060, these two models, both of them can cut on the round or the square tubes. Well, for the PF3015B, this model, it can not only cut on the round or the square tubes, but also on the flat cutting, okay? Yeah, now let's take a look about the chuck diameter. The chuck diameter, you can see inside of the rotary fixture there. Yeah, there's a chuck diameter. So if we choose 160 millimeters chuck diameter, it can cut the square pipe, yeah, square pipe by both machines for 130 to 140 millimeters, yeah. And also for the round pipe, cutting, it will be 160 millimeters. So, and for the 220 millimeters chuck diameter, it can cut the square pipe, yeah, square pipe for 200 millimeters. While for the round pipe, it can reach to 220 millimeters. While for a bigger diameter, 350 millimeters diameter, so this is not available for the PF3015B, but it is available for PF2060. So for 2060, the cutting diameter, the square pipe cutting diameter will be 330 to 340 millimeters, while for the round pipe cutting, it can reach to 350 millimeters cutting. Okay, so that for the square pipe should be a little smaller than the chuck diameter, Well, so the round pipe, the diameter can be the same with the chuck diameter. Okay, this is the this is the diameter, chuck diameter. Okay, for your reference. Okay, now let's discuss, take a look about the machine operating cost. Yeah, this is where all of us are concerning much because it's related to the money, to the cost. Yeah, so we can, so normally we choose the oxygen and the nitrogen cutting for the machine. So for example, the machine power for 1,500 watts, yeah, and the total cost by air cutting will be $4 per hour, yeah, $4 per hour. While for the oxygen to oxygen cutting, the total cost will be $3 per hour, yeah. While for the nitrogen cutting, it costs $7 per hour. So compare with these three, the nitrogen cutting, it costs a little more. Well, and also the oxygen cutting is very economical and it costs less compared with the nitrogen. Okay, but yeah, for the nitrogen cutting and oxygen cutting, they have a very different. It has a different cutting effect. You can have a look. Yeah, so for the this is the oxygen cutting, and also for this one is the nitrogen cutting. So you can see the oxygen cutting, the cutting surface, yeah, it's not that beautiful, right? Since you can see this one is nitrogen cutting, the cutting surface is very shiny and very sparkling. Yeah, sparkling, just like this kind of flowers, right? You can see. Yeah, it's very shiny and sparkling, very beautiful. Yeah, so this is the so nitrogen cutting is much more shiny, right? And so if you are you are in need of some precise cutting, we suggest to use the nitrogen cutting. Well, if you are making some tests, yeah, you are making some samples, you can choose the oxygen cutting. Okay. Yeah, for the after sales service, yeah, my dear friend, normally our after sales service is 12 months. Yeah, well, if you are interested in this kind of machine, or you contact us in today's live show, so we can enjoy a 24 months warranty time. Yes, and during the warranty period, yeah, if you are in need of some spare parts, we can offer you freely, yeah, for free, yeah. And also during the working warranty period, we will offer you the full range of the instruction and also the guiding for all the requirements you need, yeah, such as installation, adjustment, maintenance, yeah, operation, yeah, and maintaining, yeah, everything you are in need. And also we will provide you the professional cutting software. Okay. Yeah, so all of our machines, you can see we have a very strict, very strict QC control system. So all of our machines have a 48 hours running test and 72 hours aging test to make sure all of our machines have a very good quality and make sure that our customers receive it in a very good status and very good conditions, so that to make a very good customer business experience. Okay. Hello, Juan. I see you again, my dear friend. I see you again. Hello again, Juan. I see you again. I see you before in our live show. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So you can see each year we have many different customers from different country. Yeah. And also we this is the machine. This is all the customers visit our factory. Yeah, so warmly welcome all of our customers to visit our factory anytime at your convenience. Okay. Yeah, so why choose Perfect Laser? Since you know Perfect Laser is a manufacturer since 1995. You know, since 1995. So till now we have more than 20 years history in the manufacturing production experience. Okay. So and also all of our products have got CE ISO Role certificate. Okay, so here I would like to share some show some certificates for you. You can see this is the CE certificate. Yeah, this is the CE certificate, and also the Role certificate. Roles. So that it means that our machines comply with the European standard. Yeah, so it's very safe to buy from us. Yeah, and also this is a golden supplier certificate. You can see. Yeah, this is a golden supplier certificate verified by the SGS company. Yeah, SGS. As we all know that SGS is a very professional inspection institute, yeah, in the world. So through the SGS verified, you really have no worry to buy from us. Okay. And also each year we have thousands of machines have exported to many countries. Yeah, till now we have already exported to more than 180 countries and areas. And also at the same time we have enjoyed very good reputations and very good feedbacks from our customers. And we have a very talented team, so we can provide you a very quick response, yeah, 2 hours quick response, and a 24 hours after sales service. So in fact, anytime, anywhere, yeah, we are online and we are waiting for your questions, waiting for your inquiries, waiting for your feedbacks. Yeah, just now you see that, and also just now you see that all of machines have got a very strict QC control system. So all of the machines have 48 hours running test and 72 hours aging test. Okay. And when you have the machine, we will have a VCD training. Okay, VCD training, and also the instructions for you in detail, so that make sure our customers receive it and can use it in learn how to use the machine in a very short time. In fact, even this machine is really very easy to operate. Yeah, if you don't have this kind of machine operation experience, I'm sure you can know how to use it in a very short time. Okay. So my dear friend, today this is the machines I have introduced today into this live show. Yeah, hello Baron. Yeah, you can see this is all those machines, the PEF 6060 model, yeah, and the PEF 3015 and the PEF 3015B, and also the PEF 2060. Okay, so all those fiber laser cutting machine, it can cut on all kinds of metal materials. Okay, so it is such as the stainless steel, yeah, carbon steel, mild steel, aluminum, brass, copper, yeah. So this is a stainless steel material. You can see for different shapes, different designs, yeah, different patterns there. Okay, well, we can see even those precise cutting. Yeah, this precise cutting with many small curves. Yeah, these curves there. Yeah, different shapes, different patterns. Yeah, so this fiber laser cutting machine also have a very good cutting effect. The cutting surface will be very neat and very smooth. Yeah. And also this is the stainless steel 1mm. It's a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly. Yeah, also the cutting surface is very good. This one is the aluminum, yeah, aluminum 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters, yeah, perfect laser cutting. Yeah, perfect laser cutting. Also, this one is not aluminum. Wow, it's very soft. A different thickness. Well, aluminum 3 millimeters. Yeah, in fact, this is a Chinese word. You can see all the cutting edges everywhere is very smooth, right? And the copper, yeah, just now I show you the stainless steel. This is a stainless steel, and also this is the copper. Different material, the same design. Yeah, and also those thick one. Wow, you can see the thickness. And also this very thick one, carbon steel 15 millimeters. And with this one is very shiny, love. Okay, and also a beautiful flower. This is also stainless steel. Okay. Just like a flower, right? Like a sunshine flower. This is a stainless steel 0.5 millimeter. Yeah, and also this beautiful flower. After folding, you can see it's like this one. Yeah, after folding. Okay. And also with this very heavy one. It's a carbon steel. Thickness is 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters thickness. Yeah, and also this very precise cutting with a very small Jacob, hi my dear friend. Yeah, Jacob, you can see this very precise cutting for even the feathers. Yeah, and also the mouth, eyes. Yeah, each part will be very small, and also it can cut very clear. So no matter big or small, no matter the thickness difference, and the Fiberless marking machine also can have a very good cutting effect. And also we also have the model PF3015B and also model PF2060. Yeah, it has the different these two models can works on those round square tubes for different diameter. Yeah, also the tube, those round tubes. Okay. Yeah, this one is this is the smaller one, and also have a very big diameter tube. You can see this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so just now I also show you some, there are some samples here, okay, and now I would like to share those working video for you once again. You can see this one is the first model PF 6060 model. So it has a relatively smaller working area. The working area will be 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. Okay. This one is a fully enclosed model since everything is included in the machine, and with the cutting head and the working platform, everything is inside of the cabinet. Okay, and also with a separate computer system, PC system, yeah, and with the software installed in the machine, and we can operate on this PC control system directly to control the machine, yeah, and we can design the patterns, yeah, images or the anything you want by the software, and then we can the machine can work it based on the design. Okay, so we can see through the observation window that to see the working process for this model. Yeah, you can see the working process. They cut a kind of flowers, yeah, a lotus. So right now it's almost finished. Yeah, it's finished. A beautiful lotus. Yeah, lotus, beautiful. Yeah, and also right now it works on some letters, yeah, and the numbers, cutting. Hello, Wilder. Hello, Wilder. Yes, you can see right now this is the working video of the fiber laser cutting machine. For this model is PEF 6060, and the working area is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. Okay, so it has already finished the cutting. Yeah, some numbers and letters. Okay, so this is the first. This is the PEF 6060 model, and also we have the PEF 3015. So right now this model is mainly for cut the flat plate, yeah, but it has a bigger working area. So the working area will be 3000 by 1500 millimeters. Okay. Yeah, also you can see with the professional cutting software inside of the machine. Yeah. The working table in the machine body, and this is the water cooling system. It has the temperature display there. Yeah, with a remote controller we can control the machine easily, and also can choose to operate on the on this PC control cabinet. Yeah, it's gonna cutting. Yeah, it's gonna cutting for this one. For this one, in fact, it has some very precise part. Yeah, some very precise area, and with very small curves there. So the fiber laser cutting machines already can do a very. So this is maybe only 1 millimeter. Yeah, only 1. No, not 1. Less than, oh no, less than 0.5 millimeters curves there. Yeah, so it can also make a very high precision, yeah, for this round part. Okay, so it has already finished. Yeah, this is the one almost the same with in my hand. Okay. So this one will be finished very soon. Yeah, it's just like a fish. But this one is can use for open the bottle, the beer bottle, cover, yeah, cover of the bottle, beer bottle. And also at the last, it's gonna finish another cutting for our company name, Perfect Laser. Yeah, so we can see the working process directly during the machine is on working. Yeah, we can see it cutting each letter. It will also finish very soon. Yeah, this is the final cutting result. Later you can see it's exactly the same with the one in my hand. Yes, here it is. You can see very shiny cutting, right? It's exactly the same with the one in my hand. Perfect laser. Okay, so this is the PF 3015 model. Well, let me show you the 3015B. This model, it can not only cut for the flat plate and also on the round or square tubes cutting. Okay, with a rotary fixture there. Yeah, with the cutting head, you can have an overlook about this machine. Wow, it started working right now. First, it's cutting on the flat plate, and then later you can see it works on the round or the square tubes. Okay, right now it's the flat cutting with a very complex flower pattern. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. So right now you can see this is the working video of the PF3015B. This model, it can not only cut on the flat plate, but also on those round or the square tubes. Yeah, well, we can see it has a very fast turning speed, right? Wow, sparkly. Okay, the big diameter cutting, I have it. Yeah, it's finished. Well, you can see it's exactly the same with the one in my hand, right? Well, so this model, it can not only cut for the flat plate. Yeah, you can see this is the flat cutting right now, and also for big or small size, and also a big diameter, the tube. Yeah. Okay, so this is the PF3015B. It's for not only the flat cutting but also the round cutting. So at last, Yeah, this model is it's mainly only for the round tube cutting, okay? For the round tube or the square tube cutting. Hello, menu clip. Hi, my dear friend. You can see today we are introducing the fiber laser cutting machine. So this model is mainly for cut the round or the square tubes. You can see the based on the working video. Yeah, with the chuck, chuck there, it can fix the tubes tightly, and also the chuck diameter can be customized and also can be adjusted based on your requirements. Wow, the first one. And another one is the square one. You can see this tube, right? This is a round cylinder tube, and also right now it's the square one, square tube. So at the last, cut down. Wow. So this model is mainly for those round and square tubes. Yeah. Okay, so this is the four models. This is the four models I have already introduced for you today. Yeah, four models. All of those fiber laser cutting machine. Hello, Avery. Yeah, all of those fiber laser cutting machine. It can works on all kinds of metal materials. Yeah, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, copper, and all kinds of metal materials. And also we have machines for flat plate cutting and also the round, the square tube cutting. Yeah, different types for different requirements. Okay, and also just now you see I've already shown you some certificate, our CE ISO role certificate, and also we have got many other certificates. Yeah, so it proves that our machines really have a very good quality. Yeah, Perfect Laser is your reliable partner. Yes, so my dear friend, till now I have already finished all the introduction about these four models. So do you have any questions about these four models? Yeah, about the fiber laser cutting machine. I would like to give you a few seconds to answer the questions. Yeah, my dear friend, if you are interested in the fiber laser cutting machine, or you have any questions about the fiber laser cutting machine, you can also let me know freely. Yeah, so I can have a discussion based on your questions. Okay, my dear friend. So, my dear friend, if you don't have any more questions today, yeah, I'm going to leave now. And thanks very much for your watching. Yeah, thanks very much for your time with us. And I hope you have enjoyed our live show. And I hope you can get some information through my introduction. Okay, so if you want to watch more video or watch more live shows, please remember to click the follow button there. It's outside your mobile phone. So please subscribe our channel, so next time you can find us very easily for more live shows and for more machines introduction. Okay, and also you can also visit our website for more videos, working videos, more machine working videos, and also more introduction, more information about the our products. Okay, and so my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye right now. I hope to see you soon. Okay, see you next time. Perfect Laser is always willing be your reliable partner from now and forever. Okay, waiting for your contact. Okay, see you next time. Okay, bye bye everybody. See you next time.